Alright guys, so today my hammer spring came in, ordered it off eBay, came in about a week. This is for a Tokyo Marui. It's 150%, supposed to be 150% increased recoil, or used gas, or whatever. Looks like it's going to fit. I'm going to try and shove this thing in here, see if I can get a shooting test down. Looks like it'll be fun. Going to have to chrono this thing. Before, with the original spring, I think I was pushing 320 with .2s, but we'll see what happens. Alright, now that I've got a new spring installed, you can already see and hear a huge improvement. I can definitely feel a difference from the previous one. The whole gun feels like it's shaking in your hand. Let's go for a firing test now. Alright, so now it's time for a shooting test. 12 grams CO2. Let's get around ready. And holy shit, that is a lot louder, and it definitely feels a lot more intense. Empty mag. Now let's see if there's any air left in this bad boy. Alright, here's another mag. And it did some pretty decent damage inside there. That's some pretty tough cardboard, and it just tore straight through it. Let's take some more shots. Still feels like it's got a lot of gas left in it. It's pretty sweet shooting. Alright, so I've tested about 2 mags already, and this thing shoots like a monster. Let's get a round ready. And take some more shots. And it's just now running out of gas. That's about 3 mags worth of gas used, CO2. Just standard 12 gram, 12 grain, whatever it's called. Yeah, it tore up that cardboard. That's a sweet upgrade. I'm hoping that these plastic internals in here, just this little the piston portion, I'm hoping it doesn't get damaged. I don't think it will. I hope not. Otherwise, this thing is sweet. And there we go.